In this video, I will be covering how to prolong your vacuum's life by performing basic vacuum maintenance, so stay tuned. Okay, let's go ahead and perform the basic vacuum maintenance using the specialty maintenance tool. We'll be including this tool in most of the vacuums we sell, so let's get started. Next up, we have dirty/clogged filters. If your filter is dirty or clogged, it will prevent airflow and cause the motor to overwork and overheat, which will cause the motor to turn off for safety reasons. Most vacuums will have a pre- and post-motor filter, and you can find them behind a cover or within the bag chamber. You'll want to check both filters and clean them if they look dirty. To clean them, you'll first want to remove them. Once removed, give them a good smack on your hand or wall to remove loose dirt or debris. You'll want to do this outside to prevent making a mess in your home. Then take your specialty maintenance tool and use the brush side to get deep down into the grooves to break up and remove the more stubborn dirt. After you give it a good cleaning, it should look new again. Don't forget, we do sell replacement filters, so if you would like a backup filter or need a new one, let us know and we'll get you taken care of. A common reason for poor vacuum performance is due to a hair-covered brush roll like the one you see here. The hair restricts the brush roll's bristles from contacting the surface, which is being cleaned, so the pickup is going to be very minimal. You're in luck because you have the specialty maintenance tool, which is designed to cut hair off brush rolls with the included razor blade at one end. We recommend removing the brush roll from the power head to make the job easier. You don't have to, but we highly recommend it. Once the brush roll is removed from the power head, take the hook and simply get it underneath the hair and use the included razor blade to cut it away. You might have to take a few passes, but eventually you'll get all the hair removed and your brush roll will be looking new again. Wow, look at this brush roll. Thanks to the maintenance tool, I got all the hair off and it looks new again. Once the brush roll is removed, you can use the maintenance tool to brush away dirt or use the razor blade to get rid of unwanted hair or fabric. Alright, that's going to be it for this basic vacuum maintenance video. I promise you, if you take care of your vacuum, it'll take care of you and last years to come. You would be amazed of how many vacuums we get returned to us due to people lacking on the basic maintenance I just covered in this video. If you need something, get a hold of us using the email in the description below and we'll get you taken care of. And be on the lookout for the specialty tool that we'll be including in most of our vacuums. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you love keeping your house clean, then click that bell icon to stay notified of all our new videos. And thanks for watching.